Just going to show you guys a quick way to create a heart inside of SolidWorks. So if you create a sketch using a spline, you can easily extrude that as a surface. And what I'm going to do is use this as a reference. So I always like to split my part into symmetry. So you can use a trim to remove 1/2 of that reference surface. And then what we'll do is we'll create another reference surface. You'll see it here in a second. And then I'm going to connect them with this spline in a 3D sketch. Here's my other reference surface. It's the center. And you can see I can control the spline handles there as well to give my heart a specific shape. And it's the same thing with that 3D sketch. It's also going to define the shape. And it might be easy for you to turn the sketches off to be able to make these surface selections easily, and then turn it back on to be able to get your constraint curve to really define the shape of the heart. And then notice in this case, I actually had to change it to curvature in order to get the shape that I wanted. After I get that done, I just need to mirror this. So I just go ahead and hide those bodies. I can also hide the sketches too. All right, I have my surface and my plane selected, so I can go ahead and do a mirror here. And I can go ahead and do my second mirror to get all 4 selected. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You could use that merge solids, or you could just mirror all the surfaces and do a knit at the very end. Now, there's a couple of different ways you could make a solid out of this, just depending on what you did. I had missed a checkbox, and I need to go back in and combine these somehow. So I'd use knit surface to do it, or you could go back inside of the mirror feature. So we go and edit the previous mirror feature. We could knit the surfaces there. And then we should have a single surface body. Or like I said, you could just use a knit to knit all 4 surface bodies together if that's the way that you did it. But either way, that will give you the ability to create a solid. Now all we need to do is change the color. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that.